Hey, it's Andrew from Zappos, and this is the Youth Supersized Backpack with Removable Lunch Kit from Champion Life. This awesome backpack from Champion Life is made with a durable polyester design. A handle located up top allows you to carry it with ease, along with two padded shoulder straps that are fully adjustable and feature mesh backings. Champion logos on the back side, you've got Champion logos throughout, a slide pocket located on the side. Another cool feature on this backpack is the front pocket that actually features a hook and loop sealed lunchbox. It's fully lined and insulated to keep your items cool. Take a look at that. Opens up with a zipper closure and even has a handle so you can carry it with ease. Now let's take a look at some of the main features. Some other cool features on this bag is the zippered pocket located up top. That opens up to reveal a fleece-lined interior, perfect for holding sunglasses or items you don't want to get damaged easily. The main compartment opens up with a zipper closure and gives you tons of room in a fully lined interior. You got Champion logos throughout, along with a stretch pocket on the back wall to secure items. Now when you're going to class, you can hold all your belongings and your lunch with a little added style. Pick it up today, it's from Champion Life.